Hello friends, this is the chat application which I have created in my previous videos, and in my last video I showed you how to edit a message by long clicking on it. So when I long click on my own message, I see these options delete and edit. In my previous video I showed you how to delete the message. Now in this video I will show you how to edit the message. So when I click on delete, it gets deleted, but the edit function doesn't work. So now I will add the edit function here. Let me send a new message. Yeah, now I'll show you how to edit the messages. So this is the private chat activity, and in this activity, when the list view item is long clicked, here I check if the UID of the sender equals Firebase auth get UID, means the UID of current user. If the UID of sender is same as the UID of current user, then I display a pop-up menu. First I create a pop-up menu called pop-up. To this menu I add, delete and edit, and after this I set menu item click listener, on menu item click listener for this pop-up, and then in on menu item click event I have a switch item.get title.toString. So in first case is this title delete, and here I already shown you previous video. First I check if the position is equal to the last position. If it is last position, I create a new variable, put this key text value deleted, and then update it in chat list. First the chat list is set to chat list slash myUID, and then I update this user ID. After this it is set to chat list slash user underscore UID, and in that I update myUID, and then I delete this key message ID from chat1 and chat2. Now in edit we have to do similar thing, but first I will display a dialog box with an edit text where we can edit our message. So for that we will use it like this. I have created a dialog box, so I will just put the blocks here. Dialog set title, dialog set OK button, and dialog set cancel button, and after this dialog show. You have to use them together. Set title, edit message, set OK button, update, and dialog set cancel button, cancel, and after this dialog show. Now inside this we have to add a edit text. So here I will create an edit text. Edit text edit1 is equal to new edit text private chat activity dot this. Here you have to write name of the activity. Here it is private chat activity. Now the edit text is created, and after this we have to add this to the dialog. So here I will write dialog dot set view edit1. Now we need the text, the previous text, so that is in this map list. I'll just copy this, get value at position key text of list map list, and I will set this to a string variable. Here I will set this string text to get value at position key text of list map list, and now I will display it in edit text. So I will write edit1 dot set text, edit1 dot set text. This will be the string variable text. And for updating it, we will be using the same code which we used for sending, but first we have to check like this. So I'll just copy this part. I need this if else block only. Remove this and remove this. Okay, and now I will go to the send button. When the send button is clicked, we send messages to chat1, chat2, and then at 2 places in chat list. So I will copy this. And now back to on item long clicked. Here I will use this block. So from this block I do not need the calendar get now, so I'll remove this. I will create a new map variable, but I will not be updating the message ID, UID. I will only be updating the text, and I will not update time and peak URL also. So I will remove these blocks also. And there is no edit text 1, we are getting it from edit 1, so I will remove these, and the toast will be message updated. This message ID will not be Firebase DB chat 1 push get key. I'll just remove this, and we have to use the same message ID for updating. So it will be get value at position key message ID of list map list. And first we will update the chat list. Okay, first we will create the map variable, and this we will create before this if else block, because we have to use it in both places, in both in chat1, chat2, and in this chat list. Now if it is last position, then we update the chat list. First we set chat list to chat list / myUID and update user underscore UID. Then we set chat list to chat list / user underscore UID and update myUID. And after this we update chat1 and chat2, and then we toast message updated. And here the value of this text we have to set this, so that we have to put it in quotes. It will be map dot put, the key will be text, comma, value will be edit1 dot get text dot toString. That's all. So for using edit1 here, we have to make this edit text final. So here I will write final edit text edit1, and we have to remove this block. Remove this block, and that's all. Now it is done. So we will check this now. So here is the project. Now suppose I edit this. Here in an edit text it displays thanks, so I can change it to thank you, and when I click on update, it says message updated, and here you can see the updated message. Okay, and when I go back, this is the latest message, new message. So if I update this and change it to how are you and click on update, it will update it here, and it will get updated in this chat list also. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.